Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum, here to do a bit of an unboxing. So I got this new package in the mail from Sangstre today. Smart glasses. These are basically Bluetooth sunglasses. Um, Catchphrase is a little interesting. All of you see just a pair of glasses. I'm sure there's an English language barrier on that one, but interesting. So let's open it up and take a look at what we got. To be honest, I forget what I ordered. All right, so what's in this box? We get a bag, so you can, yeah, I guess a shopping bag. There you go. Okay, so let's take a look here. So these are Sangstre smart glasses. Nothing really on the outside. Let's open it up. Okay, funky box. Well, and then inside this. All right, what's in here? Oh, we got this a little screwdriver set just to do any of the fixing and changing of, I'm assuming, for the glasses. So you can change the frames. It's a neat little set. It's a nice way to do it. Comes with a warranty card. Comes with some extra little nose clippies if you want to have it sit a little better. You can see it's in pairing mode. Let's take a look here. We got cleaning cloth and it's USB-C cable, so that's going to be USB-C to charge. That's good. Don't like to go backwards anymore. So, very big glasses case. Got a minute. I can't remember last time I had a glasses case. And here we go. Oh, there's the USB charging. Little power button to say whether or not it's charging mode. Okay. Or how much it's. So I'm assuming it's got. Oh, shush. So it's got some charging ports there. So when it goes in there, it'll start charging. Okay. It's trying to talk to me. So there we go. Okay, we've got little things there. Little things there. Interesting. So speakers. So it doesn't matter if it's going to be really loud, other people are going to hear. Okay, well, I'm going to play around with it. These are $160 American. I'll let you know what I think. Talk soon.